Good morning children, how are you all? As in my previous video I had just started with the determiners, and as I told you that there are 8 kinds of determiners. I did explain you the definite and the indefinite article in my previous video. So now let us go to the third kind of determiners, that are the demonstratives. So what do we mean by the demonstrative? The demonstratives are those determiners that demonstrate to some particular place or thing, like कि किसी की तरफ इशारा कर रहा है, like this, that, these, those are placed before a noun or the adjective that modify the noun, जो noun को modify करता है. As I told you, the work of the determiners is to modify the nouns. So here these are the words, this, that, these. Again I have used myself the word these are the word. I am demonstrating toward that word these. So for example, this blue car needs to be washed. Next, कौन सी? ये वाली कार, this car. Those people were here first. कौन से लोग? वो वाले लोग जो यहाँ पर पहले थे. तो here they are demonstrating, they are pointing out towards that metal road should work. तो कौन सी रोड? दैट मेटल, मतलब वो वाली जो मेटल रोड है वो काम करनी चाहिए. सो दीज आर द वर्ड्स विच आर यूज एज द डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव. देन वी गोज टूवर्ड्स द पोजेसिव डिटरमाइनर्स. अब ये पोजेसिव डिटरमाइनर्स क्या होते हैं? जो पोजेशन बताते हैं, मतलब कि ये चीज़ मेरी है, तुम्हारी है या किसी और की है. एंड फॉर एग्जाम्पल द वर्ड आर माई, योर, हिज, हर, इट्स, आर, देयर. These all are the words which modify the noun following it in order to show possession. Possession I told you, इसको हम कहते हैं कि एक ये मेरा हक है, इस पे तुम्हारा हक है. For example, I'll get my bag. कौन सा बैग? मेरा बैग. तो I am showing the possession my over here. Mary doesn't like her dress. मैरी को कौन सी ड्रेस पसंद नहीं है? जो उसकी ड्रेस है, हर, उसकी अपनी, हर. तो पोजेशन. इज दिस योर लगेज? क्या ये तुम्हारा लगेज है? हेयर अगेन द पोजेशन. सो दैट these all are the words that shows the possessive determiners. Then we have the quantifiers. Quantifiers children, ये हमारे वो वाले वर्ड्स होते हैं जो ये बताते हैं कि कोई भी चीज़ या जगह या लोग कुछ भी कितनी क्वांटिटी में है, कम है, ज़्यादा है, थोड़ा है, ठीक है, तो बहुत सारा है. तो अब हमें ये पता करना है कि हम कौन से वाले वर्ड्स काउंटेबल्स के लिए यूज़ करते हैं और कौन से वाले वर्ड्स हम अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. लाइक वी हैव सम, a few. These all are the words which are used for the small number of countable nouns. जब हमारे हो तो countable noun लेकिन उनकी ज़्यादा numbers में नहीं हो. Like some people, some books, a few animals, कि मतलब ज़्यादा animals नहीं हैं, हैं थोड़े हैं but ज़्यादा नहीं हैं. A few chapters, a few months, etc. Then we have some words which we use for the countable noun, but those are in a big number. Many, a lot of. These kind of words are used for the big number of countable noun, like many people, many books, a lot of ears, a lot of toys, etc. Now let us go towards some words that deals with the uncountable nouns only, like a little, some, much, a lot of, a great deal of. These all are the words which are used for the uncountable noun. Like देखो, liquid होता है तो हम उसको ये तो कहेंगे नहीं many liquid. ऐसे हम ये जो many words होता है हम यूज़ करते हैं for the countable and much for the uncountable. Liquids, water हो गया, oil हो गया. Then we have the grains. These all are again uncountable. इनको हम इतना ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में होते, तो होता नहीं है कि चावल का एक एक दाना आप काउंट करेंगे या फिर शुगर का एक दाना आप काउंट करेंगे. तो these come under the uncountables. So and also the feelings like courage, passion, hate. So these kind of feelings, for these kind of feeling we use the words, a little, some, much, depending upon the sentences. For example, we have over here some examples. How much sugar do you take in your tea? अब sugar है, uncountable है, तो we'll use much, not many. Many we use for the countable. Please give me some rice. मुझे थोड़ी rice दे दीजिए. Some. A lot of courage is needed to do such a thing. A lot of. As I told you, these again used for the uncountable, not for the countable nouns. Then we go to the sixth kind of determiner, that are the numbers. And numbers you all are familiar with, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 30, 2 books, 3 books, 10 people, in like that only. These all are the example for the numbers. I don't think this is to be elaborate. Then we go towards the seventh determiner, that is distributive. Distributive जो किसी के बीच में हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं, जैसे हम किसी को बांट कर देते हैं, सारा दे देते हैं, थोड़ा दे देते हैं, हाफ देते हैं उसको, या कुछ देते हैं या कुछ भी नहीं देते हैं. तो मतलब कुछ वो जो वर्ड्स जो हम डिटरमाइनर में आते हैं वो हम उनको बोलते हैं डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव, लाइक ऑल, बोथ, हाफ, ईदर, नीदर, ईच, एवरी, like all students, both eyes, etc. And then we goes to the last determiner, that are the predeterminers. In my previous video I told you about the predeterminers. Children, predeterminers are the words which occur before a determiner, जो determiner से भी पहले आता है, to limit the meaning of a noun, जो noun की meaning को limit करता है और determiner से पहले आता है. For example, such, what, rather, quite. जैसे यहाँ पर हमने एग्जाम्पल लिखे हैं, what a lovely day. Here you can see that a is an article, it's a determiner itself, and what is used before it. So that what is considered as the predeterminer over here. Such a beautiful woman. तो अब beautiful woman है, अब beautiful woman से पहले भी such a again is an article, and that is determiner. So the word used before an article, that is such. That's why such is considered as the predeterminer over here. Let me give you one more example, like he drank half of the milk. Okay, अब he drank half of the milk. अब यहाँ पर the milk, हमने the पहले यूज़ किया है milk से, तो the is an article, और हमने एक पर्टिकुलर मिल्क की बात करी है, और उस पर्टिकुलर मिल्क का कितना पिया उस बच्चे ने, हाफ ऑफ. तो दैट हाफ ऑफ इज कंसिडर एज अ predeterminer. I think you all must have understood about all the determiners over here, but if still you all are having any kind of problem, you all are facing any kind of problem in understanding these determiners, you can give me in the comment box. Children, previously I had given you one exercise on the definite and the indefinite article. One more exercise I have made for you all. For the to complete, here you can use any kind of determiner over here, all the 8 kinds of determiners. So please complete this exercise, try to do this exercise. I'll give you the answer key in my next assignment. Thank you, have a nice day.